This is Sam, and he loves to entertain by cooking out. He recently moved to a new apartment in the city. Sam's neighborhood prohibits the burning of liquid fuels like propane or open flames like charcoal and other solid fuels. Electric cookers simply don't taste as good. This means that he may not be able to cook outside. What if there was a type of barbecue that could be used on patio decks without electricity? Sam's new neighbor recently told him about how he had purchased a solar grill that was approved by the local fire department, and he used it to cook on his deck all year round. He even offered for Sam to come over and try some fish he had just grilled. This barbecue effectively retains flavor, just like propane and charcoal, through our unique patented technology that recirculates the steam and combines them with the grease drippings to put it back into your food. Our barbecue cooks in 1/3 of the time than others because it works like a pressure cooker and actually gets hotter than traditional barbecue grills. It is cheaper to operate because it uses solar power and maintains all the health benefits of the food by locking the moisture in. Sam purchased our solar barbecue cooker and not only continues to enjoy cooking outdoors, but has found some great new recipes for entertaining his neighbors.